what's going on, guys? This is Cody with Relentless Shine. Welcome back to the shop. Today, our biggest project, because we've got many going on, is this 2019 black Raptor. It's got about 30,000 miles on it. It's actually in pretty good shape for being a black vehicle. Most people aren't aware that they get damaged super easily. This guy would clay bar it and polish it by hand. Kept it in pretty good shape, but he wants us to really finish it out. And we're gonna throw a 5-year self-healing coating on it, so he doesn't have to worry about it anymore. Very low maintenance, so on and so forth. I think it's got an intake, exhaust, and tune. It definitely doesn't feel like a regular Raptor. The guy's pretty cool. Got some nice tan wheels on it, bigger tires. It's a real beauty, but now we just got to finish the paint out, and we'll get you some shots of that, and you'll see the coating go on firsthand as well. Hey guys, if you're enjoying these videos, do us a favor, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you stay updated on all of our newest videos, and give us a like. We really appreciate it. This is panel prep, so I'm just getting off the, basically I got coating on this. I don't want it on there. I'm gonna put something more specific for satin on there. You'll see that in a minute, as well as removing greases, waxes, or in this case, it'd be polish that we didn't wipe off because it gets stuck in the pores, especially something like satin. It's more porous. It doesn't have a clear coat to help reject any of that. So we're just getting into the details here while step one is curing on. This stuff right here, if you don't get anything out of it, it's rough if you wait. So that's what it's meant for, actually getting deep into the pores. Has a longer flash time, so it has more working time. Basically what you're doing is these coatings actually need to sink or soak into the clear coat. You can kind of see when it's made it that far, when you drag your hand perpendicular to the streaks you made while applying it. If you drag your finger over it and it doesn't move, it's about ready to be, well, the second step to be installed. In this case, it's not quite enough time. A lot of competing coatings are only supposed to sit for 30 to 60 seconds. So you don't get quite the bonding, which means you have to come back for annual maintenance, which means more money for you. In this case, it's a one and done kind of deal. No maintenance required. We just ask that you keep up with it, keep it clean, keep the pores clean, but you don't need a special sealant, special wax. You don't got to see us after 5 years, maybe you do, but that's about it. So I applied it this way, so I'm gonna run my finger perpendicular, so come across it. You might not be able to see it, but I'm not actually moving the lines of my streaking, which means this is ready for me to install the second step to start breaking down the solvents. All the ceramic stays, we're just gonna be removing the solvents. That's why these are relatively friendly to work with. But if you mess this up, it will be, there'll be hell to pay essentially. But that's where we're going to now. It's gonna sit on there for another 10 minutes or so, and this paint's gonna be crystal clear. Install it the same way. You might be kind of confused of why we make weird patterns. Essentially is when the pattern starts to dry out, before it actually does get dry, you'll run over one of the initial streaks that you made and get some more material, so you install a nice even layer of the product. No thin spots, no missed spots. Alrighty guys, we just finished up the Raptor. We gave it a nice, thorough one-step polish to remove the vast majority of imperfections in the paint. Looks fantastic for a black 2019 vehicle. Then we installed a 5-year self-healing coating. That's gonna help with water spots, etchings, chemical resistance. It's gonna be super hydrophobic. The maintenance is gonna be a breeze, especially for something this size. And it's also gonna help with swirling. So not only is it more durable than clear coat, but the minor imperfections that you get from improper washing techniques are going to self-heal out. So the truck's gonna look fantastic for a very long time. Lastly, we installed a top coat. That not only goes over all of the heel light, it goes over all of his gray satin, black plastics, all of the window trim to stop all kinds of oxidation, give it some more shine. It actually enriches the satin and the black plastic so it looks brand new for years to come, and it doesn't look ashy or turn gray in the next couple of years. We just got done baking it out, so this thing's good to hit the road.